I come across too many creators who are so focused on building their content, their premium course content first, that they lose sight of the fact that if nobody's enrolled, it doesn't benefit anyone. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses in digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Hello. What is going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today we're talking about content that doesn't compete. Okay. I want to bring this specifically for premium course content, as well as if you're building out luxury mentorship and coaching brands, you're in the right place. Okay. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop, and we can hang out live because I love interacting with you all, answering questions, all that good stuff. Let's get into, hey IG, how are you today? Let's get into creating course content that doesn't compete. Okay, when I say that, a lot of times we get caught up in looking at what everybody else is doing and trying to make something better, right? Make something that will suit the needs of the people who are already in somebody else's community. While I do believe that your premium buyers, your premium customers, the people who are going to flow into your courses and mentorship programs are already somebody else already has their attention. Okay, let's say that. I do believe that that is true. You're not building customers, if that makes sense. So we don't build people, right? They already exist. And so with that being said, this was a mindset shift for me. They're already in somebody else's audience. And so my job is to connect, okay? Is to connect with premium buyers, the people that I want to flow into my programs. Good morning. What's going on, Juan? It's good to see you over on IG. Hello. And so that's my goal, right? Now, in doing that, you can apply this concept to the media that you're putting out on every social platform. Doesn't matter what platform you are using, but I want to bring this specifically for the content that you're using to build your courses. I come across too many creators who are so focused on building their content, their premium course content first, that they lose sight of the fact that if nobody's enrolled, it doesn't benefit anyone. Okay, so pro tip, stop building out your course content first, enroll people. Okay, you need to get your peeps and seats, your students enrolled, your clients enrolled inside of your programs and courses first. They then will inform your content. Okay, so they'll tell you exactly what kinds of content they need inside of your courses, which will mean that you will never have to compete because your content will be so effective for the people that you are serving because it's exactly what they need when they need it. They've told you. Okay, so again, pro tip, you can apply the same concept to creating the content that you need in order to market, in order to build your brand awareness, all of those things for social media. All right, so I'll give you that pro tip. If you want to learn more about building out content specifically for your courses, as well as how do you attract the right people, because I know that sometimes can be an abstract concept. When I first started, I felt like I knew everything about building out content for my courses, what I was going to put inside, because I built so many courses for universities, colleges, nonprofits, other businesses, that it was like second nature to me. But what I didn't know about was the marketing piece. And so I had to take a step back. I'm telling you what I know, okay, not what I've seen from somewhere else. I'm telling you things that I've gone through. I've lost over somewhere between 30 and 50 grand when I first started running ads that didn't need to be run. I was running radio ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you name it. And I was just doing it for the sake of, I saw everybody else doing it, and so I thought that's what I was supposed to be doing. And so again, I teach from things that I know, not things that I've seen somewhere else. Okay, so I'm telling you from my own experience, stop building out your course content first if you want it to be effective, instead of you competing with other courses that might be out there, or you looking at what somebody else is doing, because sometimes we can feel that insecurity as high performers, high achievers. I hear it a lot from the clients that I get to work with, that I'm so blessed to work with, by the way, that sometimes it's not even like It's not that we don't know that we're capable. It's sometimes that fear creeps in, okay? And it's just like a human thing. It creeps in and it tells us, we start to doubt because maybe we see somebody else who's doing the thing that we want to do, teaching the topic that we want to teach, and they've been doing it for a while and we're just getting started, right? So there's a little bit of insecurity there or fear there that comes from just like competition. Like, stop competing. Again, focus on, what do my clients need? What do the types of people that I want to come into my programs, what do they specifically need? Allow them to inform your content. Look at my light is like flickering back there. But allow them to inform your content, okay? And then you'll know that it's going to be effective. And you don't need to look at what anybody else is doing in order to move yourself forward, all right? So with that being said, I'm teaching a live class. It's happening on Thursday afternoon. Come join me. Come hang out. I'll teach you exactly how to start creating and crafting that content that you're going to need to start to attract the right people to you. And then I also create course content in a day, okay? I have a whole framework for that. If you're interested in learning more, go to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. Again, it's jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. I also drop the links in the description so that you can go ahead and check it out. What's going on, Eric? It's good to see you on. Hey, Alan. Hello, hello. I love that. God has deposited love, joy, peace, prosperity. Okay, all of that. All the kinds of blessings in your account. I appreciate that. I'm like noticing this light back here is flickering. It says God is real, okay? So I believe that. That is right on time. I appreciate that. Cameron, what's going on? I appreciate you. Says Teach Doc. Let's get it over on IG. If you're looking for the full video, the full replay, you can go ahead over to Jump First Academy on YouTube, all right, and check it out. Other than that, if you missed the beginning of this episode, please go back and watch the beginning. Also, make sure that you share this with somebody who you know is interested in online courses, or they just need some upliftment today, okay? The more that we continue to share this message, the more it spreads for this global reach. If you're watching the replay, let me know inside of the comments where you're watching from or what time it is when you are watching this. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so we can come hang out and you know when these episodes are live. I love y'all so much. Again, links in the description for any resources. Join me inside the live class I'll be teaching Thursday. Today's Wednesday, so tomorrow. I usually teach every Thursday, so in case you're seeing this at a later date or on a later day, just sign up for the next Thursday class, okay? Go ahead to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP. Do not, okay, wait on your dreams. Your dreams are waiting for you. I love y'all so much. I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.